Great. So differentiation in which you are just dividing the questions, you are dividing the equation, and you are also using the calculus. Like if the notations are giving, if the powers are giving, so you have to solve it as much as you can. Now, just do not go very deep in the theory part. Just start with the formula, the basic formula. As you have already knowledge about the differentiation, so you have seen the basic formula is n minus 1. So what does n means? This will be the this is the power.
Yeah.
And a, this is the base. This is a very common formula, very basic one and important one. Whole equation, if you know this formula, if you know how to apply this, you can solve any question in differentiation. You really do not need to worry about the what is sine, what is cos. No, because there are only 2-3 things you just need to mug up, and the main calculation in this, because the product rule, divide rule, we are having n number of rules, so we can go with it. So let me explain it with the example. As this is the demo session, so I have to teach it from the basics. I cannot take the topic because this is not allowed for us to take the middle of the topic or the difficulty. This is I have to teach from the basics, so that students got to know how I'm going to teach you. All right, let me take an example. Look, x cube. So this will, x cube means this 3 is the power. So this value is n, and this x is the base. So this is a. So just look at the formula very carefully. We are here n minus 1. Okay, so what's the value of n? 3. What's the value of a? Right, x. Now n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. 3x squared. Another thing, like if you are thinking, ma'am, why should I learn this formula? So just go for one thing. Write the power of the equation at the first place and minus 1 from the power. Nothing else. Let's go with another example. Like I'm giving you the x is to the power 5. So 5 should be at first place and 1 will be minus from the power. So this will be 5x to the power 4.
Yeah.
Okay, now please give me the answer for x is to the power 7.
7x to the power of 6.
Excellent. 7x to the power 6. Now, what if we are having the constant number also with the equation? Like 2x cube. At this time, keep the constant as it is and solve the equation. X cube, this will be 3x square. Right? So this will be 2 multiplied by 3, 6. So the 6x square will be the answer.
Yeah.
Fine, let's. Okay. So now, is this a right? Where is my board? Is this the right way to present the equation? Yes, but how? Like professionally and mathematically, how we will gonna present it? I'm writing the way. See, whenever the equation is given, you'll write it as fx. F means the function and x means the derivative, like the function by which you have to go with the solution. And when you have done the differentiation, it will be f dash x or d over dx, like derivative. So we usually write it f dash x because sometimes the equation is given in the form of y also, in the form of z also. So at that time, sometimes the students got confused. Here it is d over dx or d over dy. Or, so forget about anything. Just write it f dash x. You will get the full marks. No marks will be gonna deduct over here. So now if I'm giving you the equation, fx, now this time for the equation, we have just gone through with the basics one. Now, equation is 6x cube minus 9x plus 4. 6x cube minus 9x plus 4. Now, mind you again one thing, whenever we are having a constant term, it do not have any variable, right? No x, no y, no z. So at that time, at the differentiation time, it will be 0.
0, yeah.
Now, this will be 6x cube. So 6 will be as it is, x cube will be 3x square. Here I'm doing the f dash x, right? For 9x. Now you can see there is no value, no power on the top of the x. So we're taking the power as 1.
Yeah.
1x is equals to 1 minus 1, 0. Right? Because if you are
Yep.
taking 1 minus 1, 0. Plus 4. 4, no variable, so
0.
0. 6 multiply 3, that is 18x square minus. That will be 9. Why? Because any number is having a power 0. Like if I'm saying 1 lakh is to the power 0. If any number is having the power 0, the value will be 1.
Yeah.
Any number. Okay?
Mhm.
1 crores power 0, 1. 2's power 0, 1. Answer will be 1. So 1
Yeah.
to the power 0. So this will become 1. So 9 multiply 1 is 9 plus 0. So the equation will be 18x square minus 9. Is that clear till here?
Yep.
Very good. Can we go with the another one? I'm giving you the question. That question should be solved by you. Okay. Okay, just 1 minute. Why it's lost? Okay. Next one. Let's see how you will gonna solve it. Y is equals to. Okay, don't make it difficult. First, do the easy one.
Okay.
X 3x square minus 9.
Can I do it on the screen?
Yes. No, not screen, in your notebook.
Okay. Um, 9x squared minus 9.
Okay, let me check the answer. So we have to go with the differentiation. So first just solve with this equation. So it will be 3x cube minus 9x, right?
Yep.
So now f dash x. So it will be 3 as it is, 3x square minus, I think this is similar to previous, no, 3 3 is a 9,
Yeah.
minus 9. Is that your same answer? You can take
Yep.
9 common also, though it becomes x square minus 1. Like any option, both are correct. If you are leaving your answer here, it will be right.